What's good? What's poppin', Brat Bunch? I'm Jazz and I'm half of the Beauty Brats, back with another video, back with another banger, back with something that hopefully you want to see, and that's period. Today I just show you guys how I decided to install this wig, and I gave my curly hair routine as well to get these luscious curls, girl. I'll try to throw in some of my opinions on this Amazon hair, because you know I'm getting it for the 2-day shipping. Y'all already know what's up, what's good if you've been on the channel. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Beefing, it's just that we speak it. Am I hottie?
Hey y'all, so I did want to say that you do need to start off by cleaning your hairline with alcohol, because I did forget for this install and ended up with a huge bump on my hairline, and I want that to happen, y'all. So let's go ahead and clean that hairline. And then after that, I did go ahead and use a skin guard. This is optional, of course, but the one that I use is called the Esha Collagen and Vitamin Infused Garden Grip Primer, and I got it at my local beauty supply store, and it was for $9. And I will say that after using it, I feel like the glue does affect my edges less. I'm going in with the Kiss Almighty Bond Lace Front Wig Glue, and I'm using a popsicle stick because using a comb, it just doesn't work out. So using a utensil that's disposable just works out best for me. And then you do want to make sure that the layers get clear before you place any lace. Before you start applying a new layer, make sure that the first layer, the layer that you're working on, is clear. So there are clips of me using a handheld fan. This is just because the glue dries really fast, but of course a blow dryer will work as well. And another pro tip when you're laying your lace is that you want to use a comb to make sure that you're combing the hair so it doesn't get stuck in the glue. So I use a hot comb, but a normal comb will work as well. I know the hot comb, I just think it works better, but I don't really know. After you've pretty much secured your wig, you're going to want to go in with the ORS Super Hold Spray to really start the melting process, and then use an elastic band over this as well. If you're not using an elastic band by now, I really don't know what you're doing, but this is really what gets the wig to stick down and prevent lifting. So after I secure the elastic band, I do go in with a blow dryer, going back and forth from the hot and cold settings. And this is a tip that I got from Beauty via Jalea, and she's so bomb at laying her wig, so definitely go check out her channel if you haven't seen her yet. So now I'm going in with a hot comb, and this was to just try to make it look flatter. I didn't pluck anything on this wig because I felt like the frontal was a little not really there, so I want to make it last as long as possible. But if you want more opinions on this hair, then definitely go ahead and check out my first impressions video that is already up on this channel. Now I'm cutting off excess lace that just wasn't sticking. That's mainly the reason, but it also just wasn't necessary, so I went ahead and cut it off because that helps it look more natural as well. And right there, I'm just combing out my baby hairs because they got a little caught in the glue, and of course I want to be able to lay them, so I don't want them caught in the glue making the lace look worse. Then I pick out my part, and I'm going ahead and parting out the baby hairs that I'm going to do. Then I go in with a flat iron to give them a little curl so that I don't have to worry about that, and I use mousse to mold them into place. But you really don't have to use a flat iron if you have curly hair, because it's just automatically gonna curl up. So I don't usually do this step when I do my hair normally, and this baby hair I didn't even use it, so it's really not necessary. And I'm showing you guys, I just put the mousse on the comb part of the baby hair brush and use that to comb the baby hair to a little curl. And then I'm just going in one last time with that ORS spray, and I'm going to put on my elastic band to just finalize the melt.
Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys my curly hair routine really quickly. I have one of these continuous mist sprayers. I just got it from the hair store. And I have some conditioner and water mixed up in here. That is a tip that I got from Ashley, so shout out to her. And this is the leave-in conditioner I'm using. Using is the Curls Crème Brule Whipped Curl Cream, Curl Defining and Moisturizing Cream. So now that they are saturated, I'm going to go in with this mousse by Lottabody. I'll come back with the, well, I guess I'll let y'all see my lace now. Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like once it is all dried out and everything. It's been a couple of hours and I have been playing with it. So you know, this is pretty much as voluminous as it's gonna get from the products that I use. So I'm vibing with it. I still have like curl definition, but a little bit of volume too. So that's pretty much all for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely give me a like. Oh wait, give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to watch more videos and ideas of what else you guys want to see from us. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.